here is how you can see your subscribers on your YouTube on Android. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Anyways, you open up the YouTube app on your device, tap on your account or profile in at the bottom right, and then you can see that you can tap on view channel. This is going to give you a little bit of a breakdown, and it's going to just show your channel, and you can essentially tap on the analytics, which do show up right here inside of the YouTube app. So when you tap on analytics, you can see the exact number of your subscribers, the views, and the stuff which you might be interested in, right? So you got the all-time likes and comments, shares, whatever. So it is actually very useful. Of course, it's not the most extensive report of analytics, but you can most definitely see something. And if we are interested in the subscriber amount, then we can see it right there. But as I'm saying, if you need a little bit more information, then it would be best to get the official YouTube Studio app from the Play Store, which is designed for that particular purpose, where you not only track your existing subscribers, but also any other thing related to your channel, like the growth and tracking of analytics in a very deep way. So yeah, that is something which you're going to do as well, but I hope it helps. I really hope that I was able to show you how you can find it. If it's your first time in here, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads and videos like this one.